Okay, so today's little project, 2011 Vstrom. I'm gonna have a go at making myself a little bit of a bash plate. You know, I went down the local hardware shop and got a piece of flat plate. It's only about 1.6 mil. Should be enough. Got to remember, it's not a trail bike, so just needs basically a little bit of protection there and something to cover that oil filter when we do the gravel roads and a little bit of off-roading. Anyway, first thing I've got to do, cut out the plates. I've measured it up a bit. I've got to do a few bends in it. Okay, time to make some bends. Alright, so this is just a folder I made out of a bit of old bloody angle iron and tube. I've never actually used it yet, so hopefully it will do the job. Alright. Oh, it's too far. Better go and have a look. Alright, so that's basically about the shape you're looking for. Next thing you got to do is make up some brackets. But it's got to hang down from here. Couple of brackets off of here maybe. Couple off of the center stand. This is where it's going to get tricky. Alright, make a couple of brackets coming on a forward angle. Something like that. Then have a little plate going across. It'll actually give it a little bit of strengthening too. Alright, get into it. Okay, so I've just cut out those two little pieces. Now what I need to do is drill a hole through a couple of them and round the top off a bit so it fits. And then I'm going to weld them to this little bit of plate. I am using, everything I'm using is bloody just scrap steel I'm finding around. that's about where we're looking. Might have to modify the front a little. I think I'll chop a bit out of here. A bit better. Oh shit. Cleans up pretty good with the old flappy disc. Right, she's just about all together now. I'm just going to make up one breaker for the front, but I'll do that after. I'm going to need to put some air vents, I think. Keep the oil filter cool. So on the old models, they used to have a bloody oil cooling radiator across the front, but now they've done away with it. So I probably should give it some air. So I'm just going to drill a shitload of holes in here, let the air through. Probably not the prettiest looking thing, but it'll do the job. Alright, so before I put this bracket on, I'm going to weld these nuts to the bracket and then put that bracket on the bike first, because it's a bit of a pain to get to once it's on. Right, so I'm going to give it a bit of a clean inside and put a coat of paint on it, that way I can put the brackets on. So what I'm going to use is this Dulux epoxy enamel. It's a primer top coat all in one. It's just a bit of flat black. Give me a half out shake this. Dry off for a bit, and then we'll see what she looks like on the bike. Just thinking I've got to go out and do some work, so I'm going to bloody paint this now, because I know if I paint it, I'm going to start mucking around with it straight away before it dries. Alright, I've just fitted her up, tightened it all up. Looks alright. I think I might have it a little bit to one side though. Now I'm just going to make up a bracket coming from here, maybe out to here, just to stop it vibrating and stuff. But overall, it doesn't look too bad. Alright guys, so now I've made up this top bracket to go bolts under here to the bait. Pretty solid. So now that is pretty much finished. Now just to show you, this is what a bought one looks like from SW Motec. I kind of just looked at this one and based my design off of this. These actually bolt up to the side cases, same spots underneath. And amazing thing is, between this bike and this bike, were actually, when they were built, these bikes were actually 6 bikes apart. It's bloody amazing out of all the thousands of them that we happened to buy 2 that were 6 apart. Anyway, that's it for this video. Next project I'm going to do, I'm going to muck around the exhaust. That'll be it. And then the pannier racks. Alright guys, catch you later.
Shut up and sit down.